In today's video, I'll show you how to create blog posts in HubSpot. We'll walk through the entire process, from opening the blog tool to publishing a finished post, so you can follow along step by step inside your own HubSpot account. First, let's open the blog tool. After logging in, go to the main navigation at the top of your screen. Click Content, then select Blog from the drop-down menu. This opens the blog dashboard, where you'll see your existing posts along with options to create new ones. To start a new article, go to the top right corner and click Create. From the options that appear, select Blog Post. If you have multiple blogs set up, such as different blogs for regions or products, HubSpot will ask you to choose which blog to use. Select the appropriate one, then click Create Blog Post to open the editor. Now you're inside the blog editor, which is where you'll spend most of your time. At the top, add your post title. Keep it clear, specific, and helpful. This is the first thing readers see, and it also helps search engines understand your content. Below the title, start writing your body content. You can type directly into the editor or paste content from another document. Use headings, short paragraphs, and spacing to make the post easy to read. You can also add images, links, and other media using the formatting toolbar to make your post more engaging. Once your main content is in place, it's time to fine-tune the settings that affect how your post appears on your site and in search results. At the top of the editor, click the Settings tab. Here, you can upload or select a featured image that represents your post. This image often appears on blog listing pages, social media shares, and email previews, so choose something clear and on-brand. You'll also see the meta description field. Write a short, compelling summary of your post in 1 or 2 sentences to encourage people to click through from search results. After reviewing your content and settings, you're ready to publish. Go back to the top right corner and click Publish. If you prefer, you can schedule the post for a future date and time instead of publishing immediately. Once confirmed, your new HubSpot blog post will be live and ready for readers.